Investing in Bitcoin may appear complicated at first, but it becomes more straightforward once you break it down into parts. For example, Bitcoin investment or trading BTC requires a service or an exchange account, while additional secure storage methods are advised. A cryptocurrency exchange account, personal identification, documents if using a Know Your Customer or a KYC platform, a secure internet connection, and a payment method are all requirements for ambitious Bitcoin investors. It's also a good idea to have a personal wallet separate from your exchange account, like bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards are all acceptable payment methods to buy Bitcoins. Furthermore, Bitcoin is incredibly volatile, but if you're willing to take the risk, make sure you know what you're getting into and have a crypto investment strategy in place. And also, make sure you're not investing just out of a fear of missing out. Today, we will answer the most commonly asked questions such as, how do I invest in Bitcoin and what is the best way to buy Bitcoin? Step 1. Understand the types of wallet. Buying Bitcoin is becoming easier by the day as the trustworthiness of exchanges and wallets is increasing. But before buying Bitcoin, you need a place to store it. In the world of cryptocurrency, the place is also called wallet. And crypto wallets come in variety of forms. Different types of wallets provide BTC owners with many kinds of security, storage, and access options. The 5 main types of BTC wallets are desktop, mobile, online, hardware, and paper wallets. It is important to mention, however, that your wallet doesn't technically store your Bitcoin. Instead, it holds private keys, which are essential for accessing a Bitcoin address and being able to spend the funds. Those digital keys are required to sign transactions, and if a user loses them, they essentially lose access to their Bitcoins. Step 2. Choose a reliable crypto exchange. Every new potential Bitcoin buyer will find an array of various exchanges competing for their business. Choosing the right one depends on many different factors, with its location being perhaps the most important one. Exchanges worldwide fall under different government jurisdictions requiring various KYC and anti-money laundering practice depending on the involved regions. This is why, to set up an account and start trading on certain centralized exchange, you must provide personal information depending on the exchange and your location. This leads to the topic of exchange types. Several different crypto exchange types exist: centralized exchanges and peer-to-peer exchanges. Centralized crypto exchange or online platform where you create an account with your chosen login details. You must also provide certain personal information depending on the exchange and the region. Selecting a trustworthy exchange such as OKX, a leading crypto exchange known for its reliability and user-friendly interface, ensures a secure and seamless buying experience. On these exchanges, you can send funds to the platform in the form of crypto or money from a bank account and can trade with those funds on the platform, including buying and selling Bitcoin. Depending on the exchange, you can trade numerous different crypto asset types, all of one main platform. One of the issues with this model, however, is you do not technically hold your funds when they're on the exchange. Step 3. Decide on your payment option. Exchange also differ in terms of payment methods accepted. For example, the majority of big platforms allow you to link your bank account for wire transfers, as well as your debit card or credit card. Some accept PayPal payments and also accept Apple Pay. When you first sign up for an account and register a payment method, you must authenticate your identity regardless of whatever option you choose. You may be also requested to provide scanned copies of additional documents such as your passport and proof of address, depending on your jurisdiction and which platform you choose. Step 4. Store your Bitcoin. While larger exchanges are getting safer, the industry continues to be plagued by hacking and fraud. This is why investors with large sums of money should consider strong their crypto themselves. Experienced traders with strong cybersecurity skills may prefer to own their wallets, as this allows them to move their cryptocurrency whenever they want without being bound by an exchange. Congratulations! You've just taken the first steps into the world of Bitcoin. Now that you own a piece of the digital gold, the possibilities are endless. Remember, OKX is your trusted partner on this crypto journey. Click the link in the description to register with OKX and start your exciting adventure with Bitcoin. Don't miss out! Secure your spot in the future of finance today.